I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and document me doing OMAD. I just completed 21 days of no solid foods. I did basically liquids for 21 days. The first 6 days I did water and tea only with raw honey. That was for the first 6 days. Then the remaining days I did full liquid. So I did have cream and bisque soups, as long as there was nothing in them. What else? Milkshakes and fruit smoothies. So that is what I did for the remainder of my days, and my 21 days ended when the 13th, Sunday. Sunday was my last day, and I finally ate today. So what I am documenting now is my next 21 day cycle, and I will be doing OMAD. That is 1 meal a day. So basically, before I eat my meal, I won't consume any calories at all, and after I eat my meal, I won't consume any calories at all. So for an example, this morning I woke up, I had green tea. I didn't put the honey in there because, you know, that would have been calories and sugar. And then I think, what else do people drink? People drink black coffee. Sometimes they'll add a little stevia. I don't know about that part yet. It just depends. But I definitely won't be consuming any calories prior to my meal, and I won't be consuming any calories after my meal. So, and you can pick what time you decide to eat. So no one is telling you what time to eat. Just choose that hour window that you're comfortable with. Some people eat in the morning and they're done for the rest of the day. And some people like to eat closer to bedtime, which is usually ideal for me. But if I'm hungry enough, I'll eat earlier in the day, like say 3 or 4, because I feel like I can always increase it later. That way I will still meet my 24 hours, but I won't be able to decrease. So if I eat at 6 today and then tomorrow I want to eat at 3, it won't be like a full 24 hours that passed. Well, eventually it will be. But anyway, just to keep it simple, you can always eat earlier, and increase the time is, I think, a better option than decreasing your time. So I'll just show you what my meal for today is, and I'll just be documenting. I'll come on here probably like every, I also got weighed today, so I will show you my starting weight. I'm gonna weigh every Monday. Well, I'm gonna try to weigh every Monday, but I'll definitely be in there once out the week for the next 3 weeks, and I will be documenting my weight loss, and you'll see exactly what I ate. So thank you for watching, and if you have done OMAD before, let me know about your experience. Or if you plan on doing OMAD, let's do this together, because I'm gonna get on here like every 3 days and put a video up showing you my meal and everything like that. Or should I do once a week? Maybe every 3 days, so that way it's like I'm checking in. Okay, see you in 3 days.